In this SolidWorks for Creo Parametric Users video, we're going to take a look at improving the edge display of models. Sometimes you will be working in a model and you will zoom into different edges and they will take on a bit of a jagged appearance. Let me zoom out. I'm going to zoom into some other ones over here. And it's like, yeah, I want those to be a little bit smoother as I am working. And so to do that, we're going to change one of our settings. To access your settings, you can click on the options icon, which looks like a gear. This will open up the dialog box for system options and document properties. I'm going to go to document properties and then image quality. And with image quality, there is a slider bar up at the top for shaded and draft quality HLR HLV resolution. You can move this to the right to improve the quality. Now be aware, by moving it to the right, we're going to slow down the performance a bit. This assembly and the individual components are not that complicated, so I am comfortable moving them further over to the right. And I'll move it about so much. There are some other different options in here, like to optimize the edge length, higher quality but slower. That's one option. And here we can apply this to all reference part documents. Yeah, if I ever open up those different part documents, I want the same thing. All of this is good. And be aware, I'm on the Document Properties tab, not on my System option. So I'm changing the properties for this document. I will click the OK button. And now I will try zooming in, and it's looking better to me. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom into these other edges down at the bottom. And yeah, I'm not seeing that jagged appearance. So that's how you can improve the edge quality of your models in SolidWorks.